Roy.
Good morning, Oliver. How are you?
Not bad, not bad.
Excellent.
How's things with you?
Brilliant, yeah. Peace be with you.
And also with you.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day.
Indeed, what a beautiful day. Hey, hey, I'm the king of all time. Or, all things bright and beautiful.
On a day like today, all things are bright and beautiful.
All creatures great and small. All things bright and wonderful. Good morning.
Hello, Chris.
The Lord God made them all.
Glasses are here.
All right, let's have a look what we got here.
We're fixing the carpet.
Oh, great.
Yay! Let's fix that. Et voila. Reverend. It's the repair of the day at carpetdoctor.co.uk. Praise be. Have a beautiful day, everybody.